Cordial greeting and classmates. My name is Marloy Alexandra Lopez Molina. I am 34 years old. I live in Restrepo Meta. I am studying industrial engineering. It's plans for my next vacation. For the next vacation, I will go to the city of Cali. I will travel with my family and we will visit the typical place of the city. In addition to going to know the Cañaco Park and enjoying its swimming pools, we will also visit the Caña Park in Palmira and in general enjoy the beauty of Valle del Cauca and its delicious gastronomy. Thank you.